are 33 reserved words in the Python programming language. In this video, we will discuss the keyword in. Hello, Python enthusiasts. Today's episode is all about a tiny yet mighty keyword that's crucial for membership testing in Python, the keyword in. Join us as we uncover how in can be used to check for the presence of an element within a collection, making your code both cleaner and more intuitive. In Python, the in keyword is used to test if a sequence, such as a list, tuple, or string, contains a specified value. It returns true if the value is found within the sequence and false otherwise. This keyword simplifies the process of checking for membership in data structures. Why in? Imagine manually looping over each element in a list or string to find a match. Not only is it cumbersome, but it also clutters your code. The in keyword streamlines this process, allowing you to perform membership tests succinctly and efficiently. The in keyword is incredibly versatile. Use it when you need to check if an item exists in a list, or a character or substring within a string, or if a key is present in a dictionary. It's perfect for validation, filtering data, and conditional logic based on membership. Let's see in action with a straightforward example. In these snippets, we use in to check for the presence of banana in a list of fruits and the word Python in a greeting message. In makes these checks concise and clear, enhancing readability and efficiency in our code. And that's the essence of the in keyword in Python. By mastering its use, you can write more elegant and expressive code, particularly when working with collections and sequences. Keep exploring Python's powerful features and unlock new levels of coding efficiency. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful Python tutorials.